I'll show you how you can change your Google Play Store country. Now from your Google Play here, you just want to go to your account up here. After that, you want to go ahead and go to payments and subscription here. On here, you want to go ahead and go to payment methods here. On payment methods, you want to wait for this to load. Once that's done, you want to scroll down and then you want to tap on more payment settings here. When you tap on more payment settings there, you will be redirected onto a new Firefox page here. Now on this page here, you want to go ahead and tap on this three bar icon here. After that, you want to go ahead and tap on settings here. Now once you tap on settings here, you want to go ahead and wait for this to load. Now once you tap on this to load, you want to scroll down and then you want to go ahead and go to your country and region here. You want to tap on the pencil icon here and then you want to tap on create new profile here. Once you tap on create a new profile, you want to tap on continue. Now once you tap on continue, you want to choose your new country or region. So for example, I want to change my region into Australia and I'm going to tap on continue. Once I tap on continue, I'm just going to wait for this to load. Now on here, just have to fill in all of your new name and address. For address, I'm just going to give it some focus line here. So some focus line, something fake because of this example. And then the suburb will be just be focus suburb or something like that. Again, on here, you just want to fill in your actual place. Don't actually fill it in with random places like this, right? So just random in. Let me just put in some random one here as well. Once you have clicked submit, you can see now there's a new payment profile that's been made. We can view it on the profile here. Now once you view it on the profile, let's just again wait for this to load. Once you have paid on load, you can see now we're on a new profile and then the country or region is new as well.